Did you know that living in Cambodia is free and very comfortable? Moving to Cambodia, the jewel of the Asia continent, can be a great experience for you thanks to the wonderful environment and breathtaking natural beauty. Many Americans, young and old, have been moving to the wonderland of Cambodia in recent years. In this video, you will learn why Cambodia is a cheap country for retirees or expats who want to spend their days happily without worrying about living expenses. Friends, I continue to produce videos frequently on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can be notified of every new video by clicking the bell button. 15%, perhaps more, of the people of the United States want to leave the country permanently. This is exactly why Cambodia might be the best country for you. Located in Southeast Asia, Cambodia borders countries such as Thailand to the northwest, Laos to the north, and Vietnam to the east. The country's geographical location literally puts it in the heart of Southeast Asia. The population of the country is approximately 17 million, although it is increasing day by day. In recent years, many expats of all ages from the United States have moved to the Kingdom of Wonders, Cambodia, and they are still moving. The appeal of the world-famous Angkor Wat temples in Cambodia has undoubtedly made the country a must-see destination in Asia. But what is it about this country that makes tourists stay? While some people are attracted by the country's traditions, rich history, and culture, others have realized the monetary benefits of settling in one of the best economies in the region for foreign investors and professionals. Many expats and retirees are tired of the stressful life in their home countries, so they move to Cambodia to enjoy the laid-back tropical lifestyle. Today, there are known to be more than 150,000 expatriates residing in Cambodia, thus explaining the wide variety of international restaurants serving cuisine from almost every country in the world. The most important reason why foreign Americans and tourists often express their love for Cambodia is the warm smiles and hospitality of the local people. Cambodian society highly values family and community life. Extended family structure is common throughout the country, and relationships between family members are very strong. Respect for elders is an important part of life in Cambodia, and young people are obliged to show a respectful attitude towards their elders. If you're thinking of moving to this country, you don't have to worry about the language, because most Cambodians speak English as a second language due to the growth of tourism and the increasing number of international companies entering the country. Cambodia is home to a rich culture with thousands of years of rich history. The country's cultural and historical heritage was shaped by the influence of the Khmer Empire, a legacy that is still strongly felt today. If you are a man, when you come to this country, you are likely to meet Cambodian women who are respectful and culturally committed. When it comes to love, for women here, they usually want to have a proper and long-lasting relationship. This is because their family structure is shaped accordingly. Cambodian women are very different from other Asian women. A classic Cambodian girl has darker skin, black hair, and different eyes. A Cambodian woman is not demanding. They do not ask you for something very high level. Providing a seductive blend of Cambodia, the capital Phnom Penh is home to magnificent structures such as royal palaces, Buddhist pagodas, and numerous ancient temples. If you come to Cambodia one day, be sure to visit these places. While Phnom Penh is more popular among professionals, the city of Siem Reap plays a big role in developing tourism. Every year, hundreds of thousands of visitors come to the temple town to see the magnificent Angkor Wat temple complex, the world's largest religious monument. Additionally, Angkor Wat is on the UNESCO World Heritage List. In the 12th century, King Suryavarman II built this temple, initially dedicated to the Hindu god but later used as a Buddhist temple. Angkor Wat represents the pinnacle of Khmer architecture and is decorated with distinctive intricate carved patterns, huge stone structures, and reliefs. There are plenty of places in Cambodia for expats who love beaches and the ocean, especially Sihanoukville, the country's most popular coastal destination, popular with locals and tourists alike. With something for every budget, it's possible to spend time in a 5-star hotel with every amenity for 70% less than prices in the United States. The comfortable life in Cambodia attracts interest from all countries of the world, especially from North American citizens. Cost of living in Cambodia. Accommodation. Accommodation costs in Cambodia are significantly lower than in many Western countries. You can rent a centrally located two-bedroom apartment in cities like Phnom Penh or Sihanoukville for as low as $280 per month. Even luxury accommodations can be affordable, with high-end properties costing a fraction of what they would in the US. Food. Dining out is very affordable in Cambodia. A meal in a local restaurant can cost as little as $3. Even in more upscale establishments, prices are reasonable. Fresh, healthy food is readily available, and many expats find it cheaper to eat out than to cook at home. Utilities and services. Utilities such as electricity, water, and internet are also quite affordable. Monthly bills for these services are typically much lower than in Western countries. Transportation. Transportation options are diverse and inexpensive. Tuk-tuks are a popular and affordable way to get around, especially for short distances. Motorbike rentals are also widely available for around $4 per day. Public transportation and taxis are other viable options. Lifestyle and leisure. Cultural sites. Cambodia is rich in history and culture, with numerous temples, pagodas, and historical sites to explore. The Angkor Wat Temple complex in Siem Reap is a must-visit and offers a glimpse into the grandeur of the Khmer Empire. Beaches and nature. For those who love the beach, Sihanoukville offers beautiful white sandy beaches and numerous coastal activities. The country also boasts stunning natural landscapes, including lush jungles and scenic rivers. Community and social life. The expat community in Cambodia is large and diverse. This makes it easy for newcomers to find social groups and make friends. There are many international restaurants, bars, and clubs catering to expats, providing ample opportunities for socializing. Cultural insights. Respect for elders. Cambodian society places a strong emphasis on respect for elders and family values. This cultural aspect can be very appealing for those who value close-knit community and familial relationships. Language. While Khmer is the official language, English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas and among younger generations. Festivals and traditions. Cambodia has a rich calendar of festivals and traditional celebrations. Events such as the Khmer New Year and the Water Festival are vibrant and provide a deep insight into the local culture. Opportunities for expats and retirees. Affordable healthcare. Healthcare in Cambodia is affordable and accessible, especially in major cities where you can find international clinics and hospitals. Many expats opt for health insurance to cover any major medical expenses. Business and investment. Cambodia's economy is rapidly growing, offering opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors. The government provides various incentives for foreign businesses, making it an attractive destination for setting up new ventures. Retirement. For retirees, Cambodia offers a relaxed lifestyle with plenty of activities to keep you engaged. The low cost of living allows retirees to stretch their pensions further and enjoy a higher quality of life. Practical tips for moving to Cambodia. Visa and residency. Applying for a long-term visa is straightforward. The e-visa process is user-friendly, and for $100, you can secure a visa with minimal paperwork. Many expats renew their visas, banking and finances. Opening a bank account in Cambodia is relatively easy, and there are several international banks operating in the country. ATMs are widely available and many places accept credit cards. Safety and security. Cambodia is generally safe for expats, though it's always wise to take standard precautions. Petty crime can occur, especially in tourist-heavy areas, so staying vigilant is advisable.